Hello everyone. Welcome back to Unday Radar Talks. NIO stock rose 5.1% on Friday, and its price returned to the 5-day moving average. Since the stock hit the $5.54 level, the bears in the market have tried to suppress the rise in the stock price, but the bulls did not give it a chance. Data shows that some funds did exit the market on Thursday, but not much. The stock strongly recovered Thursday's losses on Friday, indicating that the market does not want the stock price to fall further, which reflects that the market pricing power is still in the hands of the bulls. The average daily trading volume of the stock has dropped significantly in the past 4 trading days. The stock's trading volume on Thursday was higher than the previous 2 trading days because the stock generated a lot of trading volume again at the $5.20 level. But since this part of the chips was generated at a relatively low stock price, this is seen as a positive sign, because the long capital ate these chips and pulled the stock price back to a high level, indicating that the bulls still have the strength to maintain the stock price at a certain level and may push it higher. Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart of the stock. We can see that the stock price fell sharply and then rose sharply in the morning trading on September 9th. This process generated a large trading volume. There is no doubt that a large amount of long capital should flow into the market again. This is why the stock price stopped falling and rebounded at the level of $5.20 on September 12th. The stock stopped falling at $5.20 and released a large number of transactions, indicating that this wave of rapid decline created market panic and caused some bearish investors to surrender their chips. But this position is only 6% of the profit margin from the current price. If the long capital entering at this position wants to cash out, it may open up a profit margin again. Let's take a look at the capital flow data of the stock. We can see that the average daily capital flow data of the stock has dropped a lot after September 9th, which is consistent with its trading volume performance. This reflects that the funds flowing into and out of the stock have dropped significantly in the past 4 trading days, and the trading activity has also dropped, but the stock price remains high, indicating that the bulls still dominate the market pricing power. The stock had a net outflow of $4.7 million on September 12th, which is not a large amount. The stock had a net outflow of $240,000 on September 13th, but the trading volume on that day was not much different from the previous day, which reflects that the proportion of funds flowing into the market on that day increased significantly, which also means that after a short sell-off, a large amount of funds flowed into the stock again. Let's take a look at the market position distribution data of the stock. We can see that the current position distribution of the stock is relatively even. After the close of the stock on September 13th, the position between $5.20 and $5.54 increased significantly, but the position increase at the $5.20 level was more obvious. As mentioned earlier, the capital flowing into the market at this position has not yet exited the market, and the position below this position has not decreased significantly, so the stock may still seek further gains. So I am still bullish on the stock at present. Although the stock price did not rise further after hitting the $5.54 level, and there was a small amount of capital outflow in the market, the long capital that really drove the stock price up did not seem to withdraw on a large scale, which can be seen from the capital flow data and position distribution of the stock, so I set a target price of $6, which also means that the stock may have a potential increase of about 8%, but this price has a great incentive to sell for profitable positions. Below $5. Okay, guys, this is my price forecast for NIO stock. Thank you for watching. If you like my analysis, please click the subscription button and give a thumbs up. I will bring you more latest price forecasts for hot stocks later. See you in the next video.